Let me show you how to use Thermometer on your Pixel 10 Pro. So on the back of your phone over here, this kind of black thing is your Thermometer. And if you go in your apps list, you will see like application called Thermometer over here. If you do not have it, you can go in the Play Store and download the Pixel Thermometer. So let's open it up. And the first time you open it up, continue here. And you have to basically, kind of have to go through like a quick tutorial here, I guess. So it simply shows you what to do here. Okay. Okay, then as you see, you can maybe select some different things that you want to measure, for example, like food or whatever, and also something completely different as well. So you see, for example, if I place something here, basically on the thermometer, it can actually measure the temperature of it. For example, if I add the palm of it, so again, very easy. So again, the distance has to be very, very close. For example, let's see, if I actually keep it fairly far, as it's not measuring. If I move closer, it can obviously detect much closer. So you put pretty much that thing right on it almost. Otherwise, again, it won't properly, like, yeah. Okay, so also see you have different materials here. So obviously each material has a bit different reflective properties. Again, so for best results, select what match essentially for you. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Good luck.